everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email ID on Apple ID. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in appleid.apple.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials and sign in into your Apple ID. Now you will be taken to sign in and security, where you can see options like email and phone numbers, password and account security. Select email and phone numbers. From there you're gonna find your email address and your phone number. Go ahead, tap on plus sign right beside email address, then type in the new email address that you want to add and tap on continue. Then they're gonna send you a verification code on your previous email ID. Go ahead, copy the code and paste it, then go back and you're gonna have to select the minus sign from the previous email ID and delete that email ID. Then you will be able to change your email ID on your Apple ID. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your email on Apple ID. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.